If you are a business owner spending money on digital marketing but not seeing results, you are not alone. And it's probably not your product or budget that's the problem. In my experience working with businesses on their digital marketing, I have seen the same 5 mistakes come up again and again. Today, I am going to walk you through each one and, more importantly, how to fix it.
Mistake 1. No clear target audience. The first mistake is trying to market to everyone. When a business says, our customers are everyone, their ads usually perform worse and cost more because the algorithm cannot optimize for a vague audience. How to fix it? The fix is simple. Define one or two specific customer profiles, their age range, their problem, and why they had choose you, and build your campaign around that. Mistake 2. Posting without a strategy. The second mistake is treating social media like a checklist. Posting because we should post today without any goal behind it. Every post should serve one of the three purposes: building awareness, or building trust, or driving action. If a post does not fit one of these, it's probably just noise. Mistake 3. Ignoring data. The third mistake is not looking at the numbers. Many business owners run ads or post content for weeks without checking which posts or ads are actually working. Even basic numbers like click-through rate, cost per result, engagement rate tell you what to do more of and what to stop. Ignoring this means repeating the same mistake month after month. Mistake 4 and 5. Inconsistent branding and no follow-up system. Different colors, tones, and messaging across platforms make your business look unprofessional and hard to remember. So how to fix it? Unify your look and voice across your website, Instagram, and Facebook, also in TikTok. And the next one, inconsistent or no follow-up system. Interest from potential customer is lost when there are no follow-up. Most sales need multiple contacts. How to fix it? Set up a simple follow-up system using a spreadsheet or reminder tool to stay consistent. These 5 mistakes are simple to understand, but fixing even 2 or 3 of them can make real difference in your results. If you found this useful, subscribe now. I will be sharing more practical digital marketing insights, including how to use AI tools to save time on all of this. See you in the next video.